Hey there, welcome to Getting It Done Home Budget Repairs. Today I'm going to show you a trick if you have a door latch screw that is stripped out, which is causing your door latch to come out like this a bit. Your door is binding, maybe you can't even close your door anymore. I'm going to show you a simple fix how to fix this so you don't have to hire anybody to come in and do it. All you're going to need is a couple toothpicks, some glue, and a screwdriver, and maybe a hammer and some side cutters, and you're good to go.
So you're going to want to grab yourself a couple toothpicks like this, and we're going to put it in the hole where the screw stripped out of, that hole right there. So we're going to take one toothpick at a time, and we're going to tap these toothpicks one at a time into that hole. So we're just going to tap this lightly with a small hammer. Go lightly with this, don't go too crazy, till it bottoms out in the hole where that screw was. Now we're tapping in the second toothpick right beside that other toothpick. Now we're going to take a pair of these side cutters here, and we're going to cut off the excess toothpick and make it flush with that hole.
Now what I like to do to take a bit extra measure is get some carpenter's glue, and I'm just going to squeeze a bit in there, and it's all going to form hard together once I put the screw back in. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a longer screw than the one I have. You could go even up to a 2-inch screw. I don't have one, believe it or not. So I'll just, for this video, I'm just going to put this one in that's longer, and it'll work just fine.
Gone ahead and put the first screw and the latch back in place, and now we're going to go ahead and install the second screw.
So we're going to put our screw in there. We're just going to let it sit and let everything form hard. That's pretty tight now. So I'm not going to strip it out. There we go, our latch is back in place, and that glue and those toothpicks will all harden up, and it'll make a hard compound, and that screw will just sit in there nice. It'll be good for a long time. Now we'll close our door. And we're good to go.